How does the Board of Immigration Appeals make decisions? Have you ever wondered how the Board of Immigration Appeals makes its decisions? This process is essential for many individuals navigating the U.S. immigration system. Let's break it down in a clear and straightforward way. The Board of Immigration Appeals, often referred to as the BIA, is the highest administrative body for interpreting U.S. immigration laws. It primarily reviews appeals from decisions made by immigration judges and certain officials from the Department of Homeland Security. Most of the time, the BIA conducts what is known as a paper review. This means they look at the written records of the case rather than holding new courtroom hearings. However, in some rare situations, the BIA may hear oral arguments at its headquarters. When the BIA makes decisions, they apply different standards based on the type of issue at hand. For example, if the case involves factual findings made by an immigration judge, such as credibility determinations, the BIA reviews these for clear error. This means they will only overturn a fact if they are convinced that a mistake was made. On the other hand, for legal questions, like whether the law was applied correctly or if due process rights were violated, the BIA reviews the case de novo. This means they look at the legal issues fresh, without relying on the previous decision. The decisions made by the BIA are binding on all immigration judges and Department of Homeland Security officers, unless they are overruled by the Attorney General or a federal court. Most of the decisions from the BIA can be further reviewed by federal courts. The types of cases the BIA handles include removal orders, applications for relief from removal, admission exclusions, visa classifications, and motions to reopen or reconsider prior decisions. For Black immigrants and their communities, understanding how the BIA operates is vital. The appeals process can be a key step in seeking justice and protection under U.S. immigration laws. The BIA's careful review of both factual and legal aspects of cases can significantly affect the outcomes that shape the lives of immigrants. If you are considering an appeal to the BIA, it is important to act quickly. You must file a notice of appeal within 30 days of the immigration judge's decision. If you miss this deadline, the judge's decision becomes final, which can lead to deportation if relief was denied. Therefore, timely and informed appeals are essential for anyone looking to challenge removal or other adverse decisions. In summary, the BIA's decision-making process is a critical part of the U.S. immigration system. It balances legal review with factual assessment and plays a significant role in the immigration experiences of many individuals, including Black immigrants facing unique challenges.